a good looking box. So this is what I got in my box. That's the page. That's the bag. And this is me telling you what I think about it. Privada Farm Rolled. I'm looking forward to every single stick in here. Got the fresh bag, the Boveda. Let's see what's inside. This is the very first time that I get a package from Privada. So let's see what we got. Farm rolled, so they're not gonna be banded, but that's okay. These are those daily smokers. And I've heard good things from all the other unboxings. So I am excited. Yep. So this is the one that seems to have gotten a lot of attention. And I'm too new to cigars. So I'm not gonna know which one matches which farm. I'm not even gonna try to do that, attempt it. But what I am gonna do is enjoy these, and then maybe down the road, try to figure out, yeah, this is it. This is the one that's got a lot of attention from all those other YouTubers. So here we go. First one. I'm looking forward to getting to know more about cigars. I'm looking forward to finding out which ones I like, which ones I don't like. That's one of the great things about Farm Rolled is it's a reasonable price. So I'm gonna enjoy that, you know, palate development without really breaking the bank. And I'll tell you, man, it's been great just getting to know Privada, their channels, the interviews with Brian. You know, when I signed up, I got into cigars a little too late. My interest peaked a little too late, and I missed out on getting into the Privada Club. But even with only, you know, purchasing the Farm Rolled, Brian wrote me an email, very cordial, very welcoming, very warm. And that, you know, that's kind of what's cool about this is it's a club. Sure, it's a monthly cigar club, but that club comes with, you know, a little bit of social aspect, and I can appreciate that. And it was super easy to find. Started with Jeremy, then moved on to the Privada sites. Boveda has great content, and that's kind of what I'm looking forward to. Expanding my palette while consuming some of this content, take my mind off of stuff. And I think that's where I'm at. I think we found it. We found it, and I'm excited. So here we go. That unboxing. Well, thanks for watching. We'll see you next time here at the Bearded Moon. You think that's gonna work? I don't know. We'll see if it sticks.